Now, here are some more names of days. Today, today. Tomorrow, tomorrow. And yesterday, yesterday. Today, tomorrow, yesterday. All right, here's some examples. Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. And tomorrow is Tuesday. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Now, here is a new question for you, and then we're going to look at a calendar. So here's the question. What day of the week is... What day of the week is... All right, now let's look at the calendar on the monitor. And let's start with Isabel. Isabel, what day of the week is today?
It is Tuesday.
And Ollie, what day of the week is tomorrow?
It is Wednesday.
Susan, yesterday?
Monday.
And Susan, what day is November 30th on?
It is on Sunday.
Ollie, November 11th?
It's on Tuesday.
That's my son's birthday. It's very important. And Isabel, what day is November 19th on?
It is on Wednesday.
Very good. Thank you. Now, we can talk about complete dates in two ways. Here's one. Monday, June 24th, 1999. Okay, this is one way. Monday, June 24th, 1999, comma, comma. Or Monday, 24th June, 1999. Monday, 24th June, 1999. Okay, again. Monday, June 24th, 1999. Or Monday, 24th June, 1999. This one is usually used in North America. Now, let's practice a little bit more. I want you to look at the years and how we say the year in English. Okay, now here's one. 1999 sounds like 1999. Okay, 1999. Another example, 1980. 1980. 1980. And another example, 1925. 1925. 1925. This is how it sounds. All right. Now, here is a new question. Here is a new question. What is the date today? What is the date today? So let's practice. Ali, what is the date today?
It is March 5th.
Now, tell me the complete date.
It's Wednesday, March 5th, 2003.
All right. Isabel, what is the date tomorrow?
It is Thursday, March 6, 2003.
Good. And Susan, yesterday?
Tuesday, March 4th, 2003.
All right, very good. Now, we're going to ask about birthdays in a different way. And here is the question. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is on October 3rd. When is your birthday? My birthday is on October 3rd. Now, let's practice some more. Susan, when is your birthday?
My birthday is on September 10th.
All right, now you ask Ali.
Ali, when is your birthday?
It's on 8th May.
Ali, ask Isabel.
Isabel, when is your birthday?
My birthday is in May.
Which day?
It's on May 26th.
Great, thank you very much.